All right. Hello there,
Hello,
Mark. Good
teacher.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, how are you?
I am fine today. I
That's
mean,
good.
maybe it's better than other days. I have a like satisfied
Mm-hmm.
morning than usual.
All
I
right.
Yes, because I wake up really early and
Uh-huh.
I have in so much time can deal with a lot of things like uh like study like do laundry and of course eat breakfast. Yeah, I have a lot of time
All
and
right.
it's really it's really much than I imagined. I done a lot of things and and I look back is really a it's really mm, I mean I even notice it.
I see. I think that's good,
Yes.
Mark. So, what, because you woke up early today and you did a lot
Mm.
of things, right? So, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake
Mm-hmm.
up for recent day. I
Mm-hmm.
usually wake up 7 a.m. Yes, it's early still, but I because my family is
Mm-hmm.
still still sleep, so I can like uh like uh waste my energy
Mm-hmm.
for do anything. So
Mm-hmm.
I um turned out some energy for
Mm-hmm.
myself, so I can really enjoy the time that I have. But today is different because all of my
Mm-hmm.
family they are going to work, so I
Oh.
I stay at home and enjoy the winter vacation of the school.
Mm-hmm. I see. So because this time it's winter vacation, so that's why
Hmm.
you have a lot of rest time, right? In your
Yeah, there is
house.
time.
Yes, and you're able to wake up early and do a lot of things. And
Yes.
also today a lot of your family members also went to their works.
Yes.
I see. All
I
right.
can
So which is
enjoy the
good.
space.
Yes. Yes, you're able to enjoy it alone by yourself, right?
I think I'm
Yes.
the kind of person
Mhm.
they need to uh have the independent space
Yeah, independent space.
uh, to make my how to say make my work
Mm-hmm.
efficient,
Mm-hmm. And also
become
productive,
better. Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah,
right?
productive.
Yes, yeah. So I'm so happy to hear that one, Mark, as well. And which is good. So also
Mm-hmm.
since today is Monday, how was your weekend as well?
Oh, this weekend, I
Mm-hmm.
this weekend, let me think of. Um, this weekend. Oh, I only remembered I
Mm-hmm.
study,
Oh.
maybe study for a really long time. So the memory is full of the things. And I do think in I have arranged for myself is in the weekend I have to go to exercise to make my figure or my brain a clean. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I have exercise for the weekend. And I do remember the Saturday seems um, fast, fast
Mm-hmm.
than yesterday because
Yes. Uh-huh.
I don't know why Saturday I don't remember when I wake up, but
Uh-huh.
for Sunday, I clearly remember I woke
Mm-hmm.
up. It's really late as today, and
Mm-hmm.
I go to run around the park
Mm-hmm.
and do many things. But I have a detailed memory is because it's negative. I do a lot of things in the morning, like today, but
Mm-hmm.
in afternoon. I kind of lazy
Mm-hmm.
because maybe I didn't sleep well, maybe I didn't sleep for enough
Um,
time. So since afternoon and after that, I become more tired.
mm-hmm.
So I use some time to take a rest, taking a nap for maybe 1 hours.
Mm-hmm. I
Yes, and
see.
eating food is
Mm-hmm.
also taking a lot of time.
I see. So that's why
Mm.
you were not able to really remember what you did last Saturday, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
maybe you woke up late that
Monday happens so
time.
much things. Oh,
Yes.
Sunday.
Yes. Right. So I think weekends were
Mm.
fast. Were fast,
Yes,
right?
only 2 days.
Yes. Only two. Yes, definitely only 2 days, right? But at least, Mark, during
Mm.
the weekend you did some exercises. At the same time, you also studied, right? Yeah, so
Yes,
which is good. And most especially today, early today, right? You're able to do a lot of things as well.
yes.
Yeah, so happy
Fulfill,
for
yes.
you. Yeah, so happy for you, Mark, and hopefully
Yeah, I
that it
can.
will continue.
Mm,
Yes,
I
right.
can
Hopefully it
sleep
will continue.
like
Hmm.
no. I can sleep without pressure today.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, that's good. And I hope that it will continue, Mark. Yeah, not only
Mm,
today, but also like tomorrow until a
yes.
couple of days, right? Yeah, so that you will feel great.
Yeah, but
Yes.
actually. Tomorrow is fine, but in uh, on Wednesday, I
Mm-hmm.
have a plan to go to Kaohsiung, so I don't think I
Oh,
still have a lot of time to study.
oh,
But
all right.
I actually is accompany
Mm-hmm.
the people who
Mm-hmm.
want to like have activity in at Kaohsiung. So when when the person they are doing their work, I can enjoy my time, like go to the library. Yeah, it happened happened once before. So
I
maybe I
see.
can arrange my time better than that time.
Yes. So on
Mm.
Wednesday,
Mm.
that kind of activity, is it part of your like school? Is it a school activity or no?
Oh, it's not a school
Mm.
activity. It's
So
just yeah, is like the persons. So I can reveal too much that, but it's not about the school. Yeah,
so
like
is it your friend?
individual activities.
I see. So is it like your
Mm.
friend or
Yeah,
community?
my friend.
Ah, okay. So your friend is going to Kaohsiung and you're going to
Yeah,
go with your friend.
yes.
I see. All right. So and like how long are you going to stay there? Like is it whole
Wow.
day or just couple of hours?
We plan to go to Kaohsiung in the morning. So I think it might be whole day, but
Ah,
I, on the optimistic way, I think I can use my time maybe
mhm.
only the afternoon. Yes.
I see. Yeah. Right. So if your
Mm,
friend is busy, you can definitely go to the library instead and study, right?
yes.
Yes. So at least still productive,
Yeah, but
right?
still had some
Mhm.
time to company with my friend.
Yes, with your friend. Yeah, so
Yeah,
balanced. You have
yeah.
yeah, right? So I think that's good, Mark. That's good. And also thank you so
Mm,
much for sharing about
yeah,
your
thank you so much.
weekend. You're very much welcome and also sharing what happened today and also your
Mm,
plan this coming Wednesday. And I hope that it will be successful as well.
uh,
Yeah.
Thank
So
you so
thank you
much.
so much, Mark. You're very much welcome. And of course, we're going to continue
Mm,
with our class. So that is for the IELTS reading. So
yes, my
hopefully you can
weakness.
still, oh, I see. But hopefully you can still remember your answers here. So do you still have your
Yeah.
answers for this part? Yeah. So basically you're done
Oh, okay.
this one. So
Yes.
for
Finish the
this, yeah,
27 to
good.
30.
Very good. 27 to 30. And of course, we are now going to have the questions 31 to
Oh,
36. So you're going to choose the correct letter. Yeah.
okay.
So basically, this is like a summary of
Oh,
the article. But let's try to check. Yeah. So, Mark, can you please read and also answer?
read and answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And okay, although people have
What
what
do you think?
to misinformation, there
Mhm.
is debate about precisely how and when we label something as true or untrue.
Very good. All right. So,
31.
yeah, 31. What do you think?
Mm,
Yeah. What's your answer on that one?
maybe I
I
do what
oh
dubious
dubious. Yeah,
dubious reason.
dubious reason. Are you sure?
No, yes.
Okay.
Mm,
Actually, it's not letter I. So if you're going to
mm,
see the sentence, if you're going to read the sentence and understand it. So basically it
mm,
the topic is what happens when people encounter misinformation. So
mm,
here, although people have blank to misinformation, so there is debate. So debate, it means that they are talking about the
mm,
misinformation. So whether it's true or untrue as well. So
mm.
basically, how did they know about misinformation, right? Yeah.
Oh,
So how did they know about that one? So basically, they know it through television here,
mm,
uh, promoted or shared.
mm,
So basically, you'll be able to know a lot of misinformation things.
mm,
Yes, or information. Yeah, misinformation. Because some people promoted it or accidentally shared. So
mm,
basically, do you have any other option on this
mm.
one?
I think
Mm-hmm.
true and untrue maybe is evidence. Letter B,
Letter B? No.
no.
Yes. So again,
Debate, maybe A.
A?
Discussion,
No.
no.
So just like what I've said
Mm,
earlier, yeah, when it comes to misinformation, you'll be able to
mm,
know about it deliberately promoted or accidentally shared. Yeah, so you know about
mm.
it. So basically it's letter G. Yeah, so
G.
letter G is frequent exposure. Yeah, so when we
Wow.
say frequent is most of the time.
Oh,
Most of the time you are exposed. Yeah, you know
okay.
a lot of things. Yeah, so
Oh,
you know,
accidentally, yes.
yes,
Oh,
accidentally know about it because of
oh,
the newspaper or television. Yes, or
oh,
being
okay.
shared by your friends because you heard it. Yeah, so basically it's letter G, frequent exposure.
Mm, okay.
Yes, to misinformation. Yeah, so again, when it comes to misinformation, it's not easy for you to know that
Mm,
this one is true or untrue because you don't know unless you read the newspaper or you saw it in
mm,
the news, right? Yeah,
yes.
so that's why it's frequent exposure here. And the clues here, basically, you can see it in the first paragraph. Mm. Yeah,
Mm,
so again, promoted or accidentally shared and inevitable. Inevitable part of
Mm-mm.
the world. Yeah, when we say inevitable, it's
Can avoid.
basically, yeah, you cannot avoid
Mm,
knowing misinformation. So
mm.
that's why these are just some of the clue for the keywords. Yeah, that's why it's letter
Okay.
G. All right, good. Okay. So next, number 32. Can you please
Okay.
read the philosophers?
The philosophers Descartes and
Noza.
Spinoza had
Good.
something about how people engage with information.
Good. What do you think?
Mm, A.
A, constant conflict? No. Yeah. So basically,
Mm,
this one is Descartes and Spinoza. Basically, they are
mm,
different philosophers, right? Yeah. So
yes,
do you think that they have the same ideas or the same beliefs? Let's try to check.
they
No?
argue, maybe.
Yes, very good. Because here, so Descartes argued that person only accepts or rejects information and
Mm,
after considering its truth or false. But Spinoza thinks that people accept all encountered information or misinformation by default.
okay.
Hmm? So basically, they don't have the same beliefs. So what do you think?
Different ideas.
Very good. It's different
Oh,
ideas. So again, if sometimes Mark, if you will be able to encounter this as
mm,
in the question or
mm,
in the summary,
mm,
if has discussion about philosophers
mm.
usually they have different, like really
Debate.
different ideas or debate,
Okay.
right? Yeah. So
Yes.
basically, you're also going to check their ideas.
Mm.
Yeah, so you're going to read their ideas again, just like this. All right,
Oh, okay.
good. So that's why different ideas. Letter J. Next, while Descartes.
Bioticars believe that people accept or reject information after consider whether it's true or not. They actually here have the different ideas. The
Mhm.
crew.
Yes,
Spinoza
yes.
argued that people accept all information they encountered and by default misinformation and did not verify or reject it until afterwards. Moreover, Spinoza believed that distinct what
Mhm.
is involved in these
Mhm. Stages.
stages,
Good. Yes.
distinct,
What do you think? Yeah, let's try to find here as well. Because you can see the clue also in here.
oh, mentally.
So what do you
Also
think?
is the mental operation.
Very good. Mental
Oh,
operation
I
because
thought it's B.
uh-huh.
Uh,
Ah, right. So B, additional evidence? Not yet. Yeah, not the, yeah, because in here,
mm,
stages. So when we say stages, maybe
mm.
stages or process on mental. Yeah, mental process, like for example. So here, so for the clue on that one, as you can see, All right, here. So by default, then subsequently
Mm,
verify or reject it through separate cognitive process. So cognitive, it means
uh,
mental.
yeah.
Yes. And then process stages. Yes. Or operation. So that's why it's mental operation. Very good. Very good, Mark. All right. So next.
Recent research has provided something for Spinoza's theory, and it would appear that people accept all encountered information as if it were true, even if this is for an extremely something. 34. Provide,
Yes.
I think is letter B.
Yes, very good. This
Yeah.
time it's
Mm,
additional evidence. So here, let's try to find out here. So in recent
mm,
decades, empirical evidence. Yeah. So from the research, so Mong has supported Spinoza's account or
mm,
ideas. Yeah. So basically, additional evidence. So when we say empirical, it means basically it's not based on the theory, but
mm,
also it's based on your experienced. Yeah, not only the theory, but also what you've seen and experienced. Yeah, so that is empirical evidence. Good. Or empirical, rather. All right. So very good. How about number 35? What do you think? So 34B, share evidence. 35. Hello
hello,
there.
teacher.
Mark, yes,
Hello,
I really do apologize. I don't know what happened. It seems like um
parasite.
yeah, my internet connection just suddenly
Mm,
went off. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but
I
I
think
really do
it's
apologize
common.
for that one. Yeah,
It's
so
common. It's all right.
yes. Oh, thank you so much for understanding. And yeah, let's go back. So yeah,
Okay,
so
of course.
already have like something.
Yeah, you taught
Yeah.
me
Mm-hmm.
empirical is about uh
Yes. Mhm.
experience.
Yeah. So empirical based
Mm,
on what you experienced or what you
mm,
see rather than a
okay,
theory. So how about 35?
35.
So if we're going to think on this summary, we can have
Mm,
this part as a key information. Yeah, or key ideas.
mm,
Yeah, so people accept all encountered information as if it were true. Yes. So what do you
mm.
think? And this one as well. And
Extremely.
do not label the information as true or false until later. What do you think?
Mm, I.
Letter I, dubious reason. No.
Oh, mm, F, but F is weird.
Extreme distrust. Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
weird because it's not F. So what do you think?
Actually, the C letter C's option is black health
Hmm.
because the screen.
Ah, all right. Let me Can you see it now?
I cannot.
Really? Let me stop share first. How about now?
Still no. Maybe upper.
Mhm. How about that?
Oh, then lower, lower. A little bit lower. Yes, I can see
Ah,
it.
this one is okay. Good, good. Thank you so much, Mark.
Oh,
All right. So again, just like what I've mentioned earlier,
mm,
the keywords people accept all encoded information as if it were true, and then do not label information as true or false until later. So basically, it seems like it's talking about the time frame.
mm.
Yes, because here until later.
Until later. About the time.
Hmm.
Only E is about the time.
So what do you think?
So later E.
Very good. It's letter E, short period. Yeah. So in
Mm,
here, again, people accept, like,
mm,
for example, nowadays, still people accept whether the information is true or false. They just accept it easily, right? Yeah.
mm.
So without verifying if the information or is true or false. That's why in here, uh, they didn't realize that it's true or false until later. Yeah. So they do not label the information true or false until it's proven. Yeah,
Mm,
until later. Yes, because for example, maybe there are evidence that it's that verifying that this information is true or false, but it's not you will not be able to know that soon as possible. It will still take time, right? Yeah, so
yes.
that's why it's short period. And let's try to check it in here as well. Here. So people appear to encode all information as if it were true, even if only momentarily. So basically,
Oh,
time. Yes, just for a moment. Yes.
moment.
So basically, they just easily accept it, the information. Yes, in a
Okay.
short period of time. Yes. And then later on, they will be able to know if it's true or false, uh, like after a couple of years or months, yeah,
Mm,
or until later. So that's why short period. All right, good. And lastly, number 36.
mm,
Yes, here the in the brain. That's the clue.
great. Experimental subjects. E.
Experimental subjects. No.
Oh, then I cannot choose
Mhm.
dubious reason.
Dubious reason. Still no. So
Oh,
let's try to check because since that it's talking about the brain, so
mm,
here, so let's compare it on this part. So a pattern, yeah, a pattern that seems consistent with the
mm.
observation that mental resources for skepticism. Skepticism, do you have any idea what is skepticism?
No.
Okay. Yeah, so skepticism, it means it's a doubt. Yeah, you doubt that
Mm,
something is true or useful. So basically, you are unsure. You're not sure.
sure.
Yes. Good. Here, physically, so basically, you're thinking it.
Mm,
You're thinking about it in your brain. Physically reside. in different part of the brain than the resources used in perceiving and encoding. Yeah, when it comes to skepticism, it's located in different parts of your brain. When it comes to, because you
Hmm.
are observing, you're not yet sure if this information is true or useful for you, or if it's false, like that. So, what do you think? So the clue here is physically reside in different part of the brain. So, what do you think?
Hmm, unsure, right? So F.
Are you sure? Yeah, that's only the meaning of skepticism. Resources for skepticism. Mm. But
uh,
then again, just like what I've mentioned earlier, that when it comes to skepticism, you are
physically.
thinking it, yeah, physically in different parts of
Oh,
the brain. But so basically, it's
so
not really skepticism, but it talks about
hmm,
in the brain
oh,
physically. So what do you think?
only left C.
See, very good. Yeah, so different locations. Yes,
Okay,
here. Yeah, so in like
encoding.
just like what I've mentioned earlier, Mark, even though that in this part, for example, this consistent with the fact that the resources of skepticism. So even
Hmm,
if maybe in this sentence it talks about the skepticism, but the blank
hmm,
space here, it's talking about the brain, physical brain.
okay,
Yeah, so it's not mainly about skepticism, but on this part, it talks about the brain itself. So basically, it's different locations or different parts of the brain. Okay,
okay.
good. Yes. Is it understandable now? Why
Yeah,
different locations?
yeah, this one is clear.
Very good. All right, good, good. And do you have any questions to the words here or answers?
Hmm, no, no
No?
question.
Okay, good, good. Next here, 37 to 40, yes, no, or not given. Let's have
Okay,
number 37. Can you please read, Mark?
okay. Campaigns designed to correct misinformation will fail to achieve their purpose if people are unable to understand them.
Very good. All right, so again, fail. Can you please read?
Well,
Yes, good. Fail and purpose.
purpose,
Very good. All right, so what do you think? Is it yes, no, or not given?
not given.
Not given, are you sure?
Yes,
Okay, actually, this one is yes. Yes, of course,
yes.
campaigns, even if there are campaigns to correct misinformation, but it will still fail because people
Hmm.
are unable to understand about the differences of misinformation, if it's true or not. So here, another thing here. So a campaign to correct misinformation, even if rhetorically compelling, requires resources and planning to accomplish. Yeah.
Hmm.
So there are campaigns to correct misinformation, right?
Okay.
Yes. But then again, audiences must be might be unaware of the potential of the mis potential for misinformation, also suggests the utility of media literacy effort. So it means that they must be able to understand what the media is talking about when it comes to misinformation. Yes, because for this one, audiences might be unaware. Yeah, they
Hmm.
are unaware about misinformation, but Mhm. but it depends on their understanding when it comes to the media. Yes, here. Media literacy. Yeah, so
Okay.
basically, here, pointing to the phenomenon of fake news, people do not distinguish, yes, between false stories and those based in fact when scanning and processing written information. Yeah, so basically, it's people cannot distinguish fast when it comes to false information or facts if they are just only going to read some information. So basically, these are just some of the clue words or key points or key ideas of why
Okay.
the answer is yes. Good. Yeah. So in here, mm, so that's why um people must be educated. Effort to educate and sensitize audiences to the possibility of misinformation. So that's why people must be educated. Yeah, so they must be educated and sensitize audiences to the possibility of misinformation. Yeah, so when we say sensitize, it means that to make people or to make someone sensitive to something. Yes. So they must like familiar to make someone familiar about
Mm,
the problem or about the misinformation. Unless that people are familiar with the misinformation, the campaign to correct the misinformation will be successful. But
mm.
then again, not all people will be able to really understand the misinformation here. Hmm? So that's why it's yes, will fail unless people will be able to understand. Good. Do you have any questions or some questions to some vocabularies? Because some vocabularies are a little bit difficult.
I think you gave the meaning, so
Ah,
you give the
mm.
understandable word,
Ah,
so I
okay.
can
Uh-huh.
understand.
All right. Okay, thank you so much. Are you sure that there's no need to for me to, you know, define some of the words here?
Mm, or maybe
Mm-hmm.
you think
Mm-hmm.
there are, do you think any word is uh, that I need to know the words, the meanings?
Mm. Actually, it's not necessary that you
Not
must
necessary.
know the meaning of the words. If you want to, it's better. It's better to know the meaning of the words. But then again, during the actual reading, it's different topics, right? Different
Mm,
topics every time. So basically, like for
mm,
example, this topic maybe you will not be able to encounter this during the actual exam. Maybe it's a different topic. Um, so basically, it's not really necessary for you to know, but if you, but it's better to know a lot of vocabularies as well. Yeah, I think it's better. So, so just like sensitize, so I've already, let's have the rhetorically. Rhetorically. Yes, compelling. So when we say rhetorical, mhm,
oh,
so basically, rhetorical,
mm,
it means these are writing. It can be writing or speech that is important or it can influence to people.
oh,
Yes. So basically, so just like the topic campaign. So campaign to correct misinformation. So rhetorical. These are,
mm,
it can be speech or written documents that it can influence people. And compelling, it means argument. Yeah. So if a reason or argument is compelling, so basically it makes you believe it or accept it because it is strong. So compelling. So basically, these are words that you think is very exciting and very interesting for you. mm, that will make you want to watch or listen to it. So basically, it depends on the campaign, for example. Yes, good. So these are just some, because some of the words here, I think you know the meaning. Some of the words in here, right?
Yes.
Yes, good. And other words that you want to know.
I know here.
Mhm. Mm, That's good. That's good to hear. All right. So, again, this is yes. How about number 38, Mark?
Attempts to teach elementary school students about misinformation have been opposed.
Oh, a post.
Mm, opposed.
Good.
No.
hmm No, actually, it's almost there. Yeah. So instead of no, it's not given
Mm, oh,
about elementary school students. Here, teach the students about misinformation have been opposed. So let's try to check if they talk about here. Ah, so for the whole, it didn't talk about elementary school students. It's just part on this one. So some audiences might be unaware of the potential misinformation. Also suggests efforts as early as elementary school. Only that. But it didn't talk about teaching elementary students about misinformation. Yeah. So um only basically letting the audience aware about the misinformation as much as or as early as elementary school, but it didn't talk about teaching directly. Yes, or the action of teaching. Yeah, so they
okay.
just state that they must learn it as early as elementary school, like that. So basically, it's not given. Instead of no, it's not given. Yes, good. All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
No questions. Good. How about number 39?
It may be possible to overcome the problem of misinformation in a relatively short period.
Mhm.
Yes.
It's it may be possible to overcome the problem of misinformation in a relatively short period.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, it's no. Because
No.
it's not easy to solve misinformation
Hmm.
until now, right? Like if we are going
Yes.
to compare it to the modern life, modern society. Yeah. So
Hmm.
it's not possible to solve the misinformation in just a short
Oh,
period.
short period.
Yes, right. Good. So it's like a general idea as well. Another
Hmm.
thing, it's you can also check it in here. So, uh, where are you? So here. Ah, so in the last paragraph. So we live at a time when widespread information is common, of course, until now, right? Until now is very common. Yet
Hmm.
at this time, many people also are passionately developing potential solutions and remedies. Yeah, because there are people or organizations who are trying to solve the misinformation. But then again, the journey forward undoubtedly will be long and arduous one. So again, it's not short
Hmm.
period but long and arduous. So when we say arduous,
Hmm.
it's difficult. Yeah, so
Difficult.
difficult journey.
Oh.
Yeah, so difficult journey. So at the same time you need a lot of effort and energy if you are going to solve this big problem,
Hmm.
because misinformation is already a very big problem, right? So not only before but also until now. right?
mm.
Yeah, so that's why long and arduous one. Yes. So for number, um, yeah, 39. All right. Good. Do you have questions?
No,
No questions. And number 40.
the need to keep up with new information is hugely exaggerated in today's world.
Mhm.
Keep up with. Mm,
Yes. Usually exaggerate today's world.
not given.
Not given, very good. Yeah, actually, it's not given. So if we're
Mm,
going to check, especially the last paragraph, let's try to check. Um, so live, salt of human. Okay, to overcome, need coordinated over time. No. Yeah, it's really not given. Yes. Because they don't really talk about like misinformation being exaggerated to yeah to keep up yeah with new information, right? Yeah, so basically it's not given. Yes, very good, Mark, very
yeah.
good. Do you have any questions so far?
In the yes, not given question,
Hmm.
the best way to answer it is we check the question and find where is the clue, right?
Yes, yeah, so
Mm,
for me, like for example, when it comes to not
mm,
given, hmm,
mm,
so you're going to look up the sentence. You're going to
mm,
read and look up to some
mm,
keywords. So just like what you said
mm,
earlier, Mark. So if you cannot see some keywords, of course, not given. Yeah.
mm,
Also, another thing. For example, this one, it's not really right.
mm,
But for number 38, hmm, 38, it has elementary school, right?
mm,
So for this one, it has the word elementary school as well.
yeah.
But then again, not teach students. Yeah,
Mm,
so not teach. So basically, maybe some of the words are in the article, so just like this, elementary school, but the thought of it is not talked about in the article. Yeah, like
mm.
the idea. It's not being talked in the article. So just like this one, teach students
Find the
about this
words.
information. Yes,
Uh,
good. And if you're going to think about it as well, right?
yes.
Yes, good. So again,
And mm,
keywords. Mm-hmm. Yes.
have any like ways to find the the keywords like
Mm.
like uh soon, or
Soon.
I should uh I should see the paragraph one by one
Mm. I
to
see.
find the
There's no need to.
keywords.
There's no need for you to check the
Mm,
one by one. But like for example on this one,
mm,
yes. This kind of summary, you can see it in this
mm.
paragraph. Yeah, so you can see it in this paragraph, this one. Yeah, so this paragraph until here. So you are going to focus on this instead.
Oh,
Yeah, so you're just going to focus. At the same time, some of the keywords, you can see it
mm,
in the same sentence. Yeah, in the same sentence. So, for example, in one sentence. So, for example, this one. Yeah, until, because this one is one sentence, right? Until
mm.
cognitive process. So, you can find the keywords in the same sentence. Yes, as well. So, you can also try that one. Right. Good. All right.
Okay.
And since it's almost time, so of course,
Mm,
in the next class, I'm going to give you more tips and strategies as well when it comes to the reading. Okay.
yes.
Yes. Good. Good. So, but hopefully that you'll be able to try those. So instead of
mm,
reading, just focus on at least one, maybe one paragraph, and then you can look on each sentence's keywords as well that are related to the questions.
mm.
This, also this one. Good. All right. So that's it for this afternoon, Mark. So see you again. Okay. So next Thursday,
Okay.
you'll be very busy on Wednesday. Okay. All right.
Yes. Right.
Yes.
See
Have a great
you. Bye
you too
bye.
as well. Okay. Bye bye. Thank
Thank you,
you.
teacher.